Faint echoes crawl beneath my skin. They coil around my ribs, hold me inside what cannot leave. The sound settles inside my chest, not sharp, not loud. It does not break, it does not relent. It moves in silence, threads through my bones. It whispers in marrow and tendon. Every breath I take is its rhythm. I do not feel relief, I do not feel escape, only its weight woven into the shape of me. It does not leave, it follows me into hollow spaces I thought were mine, into every shadow I call home. Sound settles, it lives in the marrow, it flows in the breath, it becomes the tone I carry forever. Not gone, not erased, not separate. Sound settles, it binds.
I see it now, not as wound but architecture. Every fracture a rhythm I cannot unmake. Every shadow a pulse I feel beneath my skin. It is not broken, it is not meant to heal.
It bends the system of what I am. It teaches me how to live inside it. I do not remove it, I do not fight. I fold into its shape, become the vessel it always sought.
It remains with us,
Not as before,
it moves through us,
deep as our blood.
inescapable.
Sound settles, it lives in the marrow, it flows in the breath, it becomes the tone I carry forever. Not gone, not erased, not separate. Sound settles,
It binds.
I thought I could be free if I let it die. It lived in the hollows I could not fill. I did not lose it, I only became its place. It coils inside me, it breathes with me.
It is me,
It stayed,
it stays.
it moves through me. I am its vessel, I am its shadow. I am bound. Sound settles, it lives in the marrow, it flows in the breath, it becomes the tone I carry forever. Not gone, not erased, not separate. Sound settles,
It binds.
I did not lose it,
I became it,
I did not lose it.
I became it.
It is me.